In this world, only two things truly belong to you: happiness and health. Everything else, fame, fortune, judgment, gains and losses, relationships, success, may vanish like smoke in the wind. Only inner happiness and physical health will accompany you through the long years. Taoism says, all things beyond fame and fortune are external possessions. Only body and mind truly belong to oneself. This is not escapism, but a deeper awakening. Happiness is never given to you from the outside world, but rather something you allow yourself to possess. Taoism's teaching on following nature does not mean letting yourself sink into despair, but rather returning the heart to its original state without comparison, attachment, or striving for temporary gains or losses. You will discover that true happiness is not about what you have gained, but about what you have let go of. Let go of others' opinions, and your heart will be lighter. Let go of the obsession with winning, and you will be free. Let go of what doesn't belong to you, and you can free your hands to embrace the happiness that is rightfully yours. As the Tao Te Ching says, contentment prevents disgrace. Knowing when to stop prevents danger. The more you understand the importance of moderation, the more peace you can find in the little things of life. Happiness is not a goal, but a capability. It's the power to maintain clarity amidst chaos and tranquility amidst noise. Health is also the most fundamental aspect of life that should never be neglected. You may think you're carrying a heavy burden, but your body remembers every instance of overexertion. Taoism says, when form and spirit are in harmony, longevity is attained. The body is your boat, the mind is your sail. If the boat is broken, even the best sail cannot carry you far. If the sail is broken, even the newest boat cannot rise. Health is not just about physical strength, but also about emotional well-being, mental relaxation, and stress release. The most silent failure in life is exhausting yourself for the approval of others. The deepest success in life is taking good care of your health for your future. Remember, when health fails, everything else will naturally cease. We come into this world empty-handed, and we leave empty-handed as well. Looking back at the end, you understand. What you truly possessed was happiness and health. Everything else is merely scenery borrowed along the journey. Therefore, Taoism doesn't teach people to escape the world, but rather to see it clearly. After seeing it clearly, you learn to choose. Avoid those who drain you. Let go of what you can hold onto. Accept the uncontrollable fate. Cherish everything that brings you peace. When you stop clinging to meaningless things, things will gradually become simpler, and life will become gentler. Taoist wisdom isn't abstract. It can be applied to real life. Give your body space. Sleep when you're tired. Rest when you're weary. Your body isn't a machine. It deserves your gentleness. Give your emotions an outlet. Don't suppress them, don't force them. When emotions flow, you feel relaxed. 3. Give yourself time. Even just 10 minutes a day, quiet down, breathe, take a walk, drink a glass of water, let your mind return to its place. 4. Keep life simple. The simpler, the closer to happiness. Taoism says, the great way is simple. It's not life that's complicated, it's our hearts. 5. Leave energy for the future. Don't exhaust yourself today. You need the strength to move forward in the future. Life is a journey. No matter how far you go, never forget your original intention. You don't love to prove yourself. You love to experience love itself. From today onward, may you no longer spend all your time chasing after external things, but instead dedicate more time to the two most precious treasures within yourself, happiness and health. May you love with the Taoist spirit, finding is in love. May you walk each step with a free spirit.